So here, how to use Pure app. So here, the Pure app, it's a bit different from Tinder or Bumble. So it's a bit different user experience. So the idea is that you basically it's free for women, and it's paid for man for guys. So that's what it is, and it's quite expensive for the guys. So yeah, that's where you have your feed, and like you need to upgrade for the guys, and then you just text your ad. So your description, what you're looking for this ad, your short presentation, and then basically this is how the feed looks like. A lot of people might ask, is it a glitch? Is it a bug? Why photos are basically half cropped? But this is just the feature of the app. Some people don't want to show their photo right away because it's a spicy dating app, how to say it. And that's like a lot of profiles are hidden. There are sometimes no photos or no real names. People claiming that there are a lot of bots or spam. There are some, but still the app is quite of good quality. So I think this part of people don't want to show their real names on this app quite often. And then you just scroll around, and then you can just like people, you can send gems. You can look for different categories in this app, and that's basically how it works. And then you also have chats, and then you have some online games which you can participate to match people, and then you have your profile. So that's how it works. It's kind of different from Tinder, but that's basically the idea. Uh, and that's basically what it is. And yep, so then you have your settings where you can buy some additional things. You can buy crown and just have some throne where basically, yeah, you just keep the throne. You kind of boost in your profile. You can also buy gifts, buy chips, buy incognito where you have incognito mode. And so that's where you have so something around this. uh, so yeah, that's basically the idea in here. So yeah, that's the app. Is this app safe to use? I mean, there are a lot of people that are kind of complaining that it might not be that safe, but overall I would say that their average ratings are quite good for this kind of apps, and there are apps which are might more scammy, so you need to know that. And it's quite easy to get banned in this app because their algorithm is basically tracking all the like banned words in your conversations, in your photos, so you can easily get banned in the app. So you need to know that. But yeah, basically that's the idea of the app, so you can try it out. That's how it works. And again, for the women it's free. For the guys it's kind of expensive app, so you really need to understand what you want to pay or something. But yeah,